This is our 2016 66 plate Audi S3 5-door hatchback. It's in the absolute best colour, Navara blue. I love this colour. I think it's one of the nicest colours you can get on the Audi S3. I think it really feels special and it makes the car. This one is stunning. It's got the panoramic roof, which is an essential, very desirable option. It's got the hugely desirable 19-inch 5-spoke two-tone wheels, so sort of grey in the inserts and then polished faces. It's got the red brake calipers as well, which just finish it off beautifully with a Navara blue paint and the titanium wheels. You've got the titanium satin wing mirrors and window surrounds. It's a stunning car. 5 doors, of course, automatic, privacy glass. LED lights front and rear, twin exit exhaust and rear diffuser there. It's in stunning condition. Done 53,000 miles. Obviously we can provide warranty, we can provide finance packages, we can also offer nationwide delivery to your door, so if you want any of those options, just ask and I'm more than happy to discuss it with you. Tyres are all premium, and they have got roughly, measured them earlier, around 5 mil on each tyre, so loads of tread there. Full Audi service history. MOT till I think it's August, September next year. Again, Pirelli P0s there. In lovely condition throughout. Got that S3 badge on the grille there and the LED daytime running lights. Got the black Napa leather interior. Got the Audi Premium sound system, which has got the subwoofer in the boot, so if we start going round to the inside you can see that. Everything's there as it should be. Your parcel shelf, the net for the load space. There's the sub. Got the approved used owner's pack there. First aid kit, oil top up bottle holder. And then if we go round to the inside, start with the passenger side actually. So you've got the Audi logo puddle lights, got this brushed satin aluminium trim on the doors and dash, and obviously the premium audio system comes with these 2 speakers in the doors. You've got the LED interior lights, panoramic roof, the Audi matting with the red contrast edging, black Napa leather headrest and the contrast white stitching. Got the original fluorescent jacket holder there, still in its place, not being used of course. Again, much the same on the passenger side. The S logo embossed into the Napa leather. And you've got this lovely knurled finish on the air vents, and the same brushed aluminium on the dash there. Looks fantastic. And of course you've got the brushed sort of black ash trim there, and 12 volt socket, and your controls there. You've got the sliding armrest on this car, and then 2 USB ports there. Dual zone climate control, cruise control, navigation of course. What a stunning S3. Goes so quickly, and obviously with a 4-wheel drive quattro, just sticks to the road. Pan roof, lets the sun in and lets the light in, makes the cockpit feel really a pleasant place to be in. So this one's also got the power folding heated auto dimming wing mirrors, great option to have. Obviously your controls there for the windows. backlit S3 sill plates here. Automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers. And then of course you've got the flat bottom S steering wheel, the gear shift paddles here. There's your cruise control, turn signals and wipers. And then you've got things like your voice control, nav, shortcut button, phone, volume, and this here controls the central display, so you can flick through the various options. So trip, car, media, nav, all that can be altered to display what you want. You've got a little boost indicator there for the turbo, and the fuel is there. So you can see now we're running low at the moment. It's just been delivered and prepared by our valeter. Navigation here, you've got this lovely frameless rear view mirror, white LED lights, and then the roof control there. So if you flick through here, so for example you go to menu, you've obviously got Audi Connect, although you need to subscribe if you want to use it, which is obviously your online stuff, where if you want to start using, for example, online information, you can even use Google. You can have Google Earth displayed on the sat nav screen, so you need to subscribe to that if you wanted to do it. I think it only goes for the first 3 years. And then of course we've got the main sort of car settings. So you've got the individual, which can be configured. Excuse me. So this car's actually got the mag ride, so you can actually adjust the suspension, so comfort, auto or dynamic. It's also got the adjustable exhaust, sports exhaust, so again you can adjust that so it's noticeably louder and dynamic than comfort. Put that back to how it was. And then you can also alter the perimeters for the quattro, and also of course the steering, which comes as part of that sort of sports pack, where you can alter all that. So that's a great option to have, a bit of a must-have really, to have those. And then if you go to servicing and checks, you can see the next service isn't due for another year or so. 9,000 miles, 358 days. Inspection is not really a service, it's just where they check the car. Another way for Audi to make a bit of money for nothing. That's in 227 days or 3,600 miles. Other than that, that's pretty much a good sort of overview of this system. Of course, media, you can select different media, so if you want to play through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or an external audio player that you plug in through the auxiliary or USB, it's all an option. And that's pretty much it, folks. So that's our 2016 Audi S3. This is the facelift model, so it's got the newer style front end with the sort of Z-shaped headlights and reprofiled front bumper. It's fantastic looking S3 example, so I would highly recommend it. Give me a call if you would like to discuss this car, whether you want a finance quote or you want a part exchange. More than happy to discuss it with you, and we can go from there. Thank you very much for watching. Good night, and see you on the next video.